Communicating through forum topics is a modern way to interact with students. This way of communication can boost the student engagement drastically. ClassAgile comes with a powerful built-in forum software. Every class comes with auto-generated class forum. Click on the discussions link from the side menu to access the forums. The teacher is the moderator for the forum, and all students in the class can access the class forum as well. There are 3 categories under each class forum. The announcement forum, where only the teacher can post topics here and the student can only reply in this forum. And the general discussion and other forums, where everyone can post topics and replies. As a moderator of the forum, the teacher can perform several administrative actions to all posts, such as edit, delete, and flagging a post, or many other actions. The class discussion forum is integrated with multiple features of ClassAgile, such as tasks, help requests, quiz, polls. The users can update the personal preference of the forum on the forum settings page. For example, changing the skin of the forum and the notification settings. Please note that the class forum is deleted automatically when its associated class is deleted.